Hi everyone, and welcome to this handy guide. We're excited to help you navigate through one of the most common tasks on Amazon. Today, we're tackling a common question: how to change your shipping address on Amazon. This is something many users need to do at some point. It's a simple process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. No need to worry, it's easier than you might think. Whether you've moved to a new home, you're sending a gift to a friend or family member, or just need to update your information for any reason, we've got you covered. Let's get started so you can get back to shopping without any interruptions. Amazon is a popular online shopping platform that offers a vast array of products. Millions of people use it every day to find everything from household items to the latest tech gadgets. It's easy to see why so many people love shopping on Amazon. You can find almost anything on Amazon, from everyday essentials to unique and hard-to-find items. Plus, it's incredibly convenient to have items shipped right to your door, often with fast and reliable delivery options. But what happens when your address changes? No worries, we've got you covered. Amazon makes it easy to update your information, ensuring your packages always arrive at the right place. In the next section, we'll go through each step in detail, so you can confidently update your shipping address without any hassle. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. This is the initial and most crucial step to access all your account settings and make any changes. You can do this on the Amazon website or the Amazon app. Both platforms offer the same functionalities, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. Once you're logged in, look for the Account and Lists section. This is where you can manage all your account details, including your addresses, payment methods, and order history. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. If you're using the app, you might find it under the menu icon, often represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on Account and Lists, and then select your addresses. This will take you to a page where all your saved addresses are listed. This is where you'll find all your saved shipping addresses. You can edit, delete, or add new addresses from this page. To add a new address, click on the Add Address button. This will open a form where you can enter your new address details. Fill out the form with your new address information. Make sure to include all necessary details like street address, city, state, and zip code. Double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Any mistakes could lead to delivery issues, so it's important to get it right. Once you're happy with the information, click on the Add Address button to save it. You'll see a confirmation message once the new address is successfully added. You can even choose to make this your default shipping address. This means Amazon will automatically use this address for your future orders, saving you time during checkout. It's a convenient feature if you frequently ship to the same location. That's it. You've successfully changed your shipping address on Amazon. Now you can shop with confidence, knowing your packages will arrive at the correct location. Did you know that Amazon has a massive user base? It's hard to imagine a world without it. It's one of the most popular online shopping platforms in the world, connecting millions of buyers and sellers every day. With millions of active users worldwide, Amazon's reach is truly global. From bustling cities to remote villages, Amazon's presence is felt everywhere. They offer a vast selection of products and services. From books and electronics to clothing and groceries, you name it, they have it. You can find it all on Amazon. The platform is designed to cater to every need and preference, making shopping a seamless experience. No matter where you are in the world, chances are Amazon delivers to your region. Their extensive logistics network ensures timely deliveries. This convenience and accessibility have made Amazon a household name. People trust Amazon for its reliability and wide range of products. All right, let's quickly review the steps to change your shipping address on Amazon. First, log into your Amazon account. Next, go to Account and Lists. Then, select your addresses. After that, click on Add Address and enter your new information. Finally, save your new address. Easy, right? Now you can shop with peace of mind, knowing your packages will be delivered to the correct location. And there you have it. Changing your shipping address on Amazon is a breeze. With this simple guide, you can update your information in just a few clicks. Now go ahead and enjoy the convenience of shopping on Amazon. Happy shopping!